guys, Shannon here with Got to Go Prepared. Welcome back. I want to do a quick video on a new knife that I picked up this past week. Picked this up at the local Lowe's, of all places. It is the Crkt Kin Onion Design folder. I'm going to read off here what all this has on it. It's called the Shenanigan. Kind of sounds like my name a little bit. But as you can see there, that's what it looks like. Picked it up for $39.95. Limited lifetime warranty. Smooth, easy opening and closing, which it does. This is out of the box. Removable pocket clip. As you can see there, you can take that off and move it. It's pretty snug. I did when I first put it in my pocket to check it out. I had to bend it up a little bit. I wanted it to come out a little easier. It's pretty tight. And what intrigued me about this knife was it's a high carbon stainless steel blade. Razor sharp. And I've got a couple folders I really like. I got a Kershaw I carry I really like. And it'll give a good spark. But this is a high carbon steel blade with the Kin Onion design. It is razor sharp. Let's do this right here if I can show you. There's hairs. It is. Make a shave with this thing right out of the box, sharp. Glass infused nylon handle and a limited lifetime warranty. Again, that's the Shenanigan Crkt knife. Picked it up at Lowe's for $39.95. I couldn't believe. They also have another version that's got the serrated edge here. I did not want that. I wanted a full strength blade. Like I said, it is razor sharp, but I wanted to do a couple things with it. Being a high carbon steel blade and a folder, I think it's good. I wanted to see how well it did give a spark. Very good spark. Gives off a nice spark. That's awesome. So that means it's got a, well, it's a Kin Onion design. So I would say it's got a good 90-degree spine for giving spark. So maybe if this is the only knife you had with you, it's got some nice jimping here for holding. I like the way that it's shaped. Got a hole here for a lanyard. Feels really nice in the hand. The jimping helped get a little for some small tasks if you had to. And then that point and that line, it's got a pretty good center. So if you had to use it for some different tasks. But lightweight too. I mean, it just really feels really good. A lot of my wood got wet. I was going to do this video earlier and the bottom dropped out. But a lot of my wood's a little wet. But show some curls there. Man, it just bites into the wood good. Once you get through that first layer where everything got wet out here, doesn't do too bad to give you some good fine pieces of wood to start a fire if you needed to. I kind of like to take some of my folders that I have and see how they'll do with some tasks that you would normally do with a bigger knife. And I got this little small piece of wood, and I wouldn't typically want to baton wood with a folder, but if it's all I got, like I said, this is out of the box. I haven't done this yet, and this is a small piece of wood, but if I needed to get some smaller pieces, needed to do it if this is the only knife I had with me. And it seems to go through this wood, which is a little bit damp too, so it's not dry and easily split out. But if you stay on the edge when you're having to ton some wood with a smaller knife, you can get those edges. Now you end up with some small kindling to build you a fire. Just some normal carving task with this knife through some bark. Man, it cuts through a little knot right there like it was nothing. Being high carbon steel, put a good edge back on it and should hold its edge really good. If I wanted to make a notch in something for maybe small trap, or get that jimping and just dig into that wood really nice. You can see it's I don't know if you can see it from the distance. It really carves through that really nice, smooth like butter. But I would say just for some minor tasks, that's going to cut through just about anything you need. Of course, always be careful with your knives. It'll cut through your finger just as quick. So if you got some younger guys watching this video, always be careful and make sure you're safe with a blade like that. Now, doing all that abuse to the blade a little bit, I want to see how it'll it's still shaving the hair off after all that, still razor sharp. May have to test it later and see if I can shave with it. Well, like I said, that's the Shenanigan Ken Onion design, Lowe's, $39.95. I think that's a pretty good deal for a high carbon steel blade knife with a lightweight handle like that. That is a great knife. Guys, thanks for watching. If you've been looking for a folder that's a good economical price with a high carbon steel blade and 90-degree spine, it'll hold its edge and you can shave with, go check this out and pick one up. I like it so far. May after I've abused it for a few months, I may do another little quick review on it and see how everything's holding up at that point. Thanks for watching, and y'all have a great day. Remember, you got to go prepared because you just never know.